Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learn English Together, the podcast where learning English becomes easy, fun, and natural. I am Nikki.
And I am Ash. Today we have a very useful topic for your daily life phone call English conversation. Hmm,
Yes, many listeners feel nervous when speaking English on the phone because you cannot see the person's face, right?
exactly. So today we will practice many real life phone conversation like calling friends, office calls, customer care, ordering food, doctor appointment, and last one is our favorite missed calls and everything. So now we start from a basic phone call phrases. Before we start conversation, let's learn some basic phone phrases.
Yes, repeat after us, guys, slowly. First one, hello, who is this? Second one, may I know who's speaking? Third one, can you please speak slowly? Fourth one, the network is not clear. Fifth one, I will call you back. Sixth, hold on please. Seven, sorry, wrong number. So, guys, repeat after me.
Let's also learn polite phrases. First, could you please repeat that? Second, I didn't catch that. Third, thank you for calling. And last, have a nice day.
Great. Now, let's practice with real conversation.
Yes, let's go. First conversation is to calling a friend.
Hello,
Hi, is this Nikki there?
yes, who's calling?
It's me, Ash. I think you didn't save my number.
Oh no, sorry, I changed my phone number yesterday. How are you?
I'm good. I just called to ask if you are free this evening.
Hmm, I think yes. Why?
Let's go out for a small walk or maybe grab a coffee.
Sounds great. Let's meet at 6 pm.
Okay, perfect. See you. Here they use simple phrases like who's calling, are you free, and let's meet. Perfect for daily life. Don't forget to write in your notebook. Now we learn office calling and professional calls. Good afternoon. May I speak with Mr.
Good afternoon. May I know who is speaking?
Sure, this is Ash from Learn English Together.
Thank you. Please hold a line. Hello, Ash. Rahul here.
Hi, I am calling regarding tomorrow's meeting.
Yes, the meeting at 11 am, right?
Yes, I just wanted to confirm the time and venue.
It will be in conference room A.
Thank you so much. See you tomorrow.
So, guys, now we learn key phrases. First, may I speak with? Second, please hold a line. And third, I am calling regarding.
Third conversation is customer care call. Welcome to Global Media Network. Press 1 for English.
These automated voice are everywhere.
Now, let's start customer care conversation.
Hello, I have an issue with my mobile data.
I am sorry for this inconvenience. Can you please explain the issue?
Yes, my network is not working since morning.
Okay. May I know your registered mobile number?
Sure,
Thank you. Please wait. I check your account. Ma'am, your data pack expired today.
oh, okay. Can you help me recharge?
Yes, I will send you link.
Thank you so much.
So guys, customer R uses polite expression like I am sorry for the inconvenience. Second, may I know? Third, please wait. These phrases don't forget to write in your notebook. Fourth conversation is ordering food on phone. Hello, Pizza House. How may I help you?
Hi, I want place an order for delivery.
Sure. What would you like to order?
One medium farmhouse pizza with extra cheese and a garlic bread.
Okay. Anything else?
No, that's all. Oh wait, also one cold drink.
Great. May I have your address?
Yes, 21 Rose Street.
Okay. Your order will arrive in 35 minutes.
Thank you.
Okay, guys. Now learn useful phrases and write down in your notebooks. First, how may I help you? Second, I want to place an order. And third, may I have your address. These phrases is very useful for our daily learning English. Conversation 5. Doctor appointment call.
Hello, City Clinic. How can I help you?
Hi, I would like to book an appointment with Mr. Jose
Sure. What date do you prefer?
tomorrow anytime after 11 a.m.
We have a slot at 11:30 am.
Perfect. Please book it.
Your appointment is confirmed.
Oh, thank you so much, ma'am. And last conversation is our favorite miss call and calling back. So, Nikki, you called me earlier? Sorry, I miss your call.
Yes, I wanted to ask if you submitted the file.
Oh, not yet. I will do it today.
Okay, no worries.
Thanks. And sorry again for the missed calls.
Here are some useful phrases. First, sorry, I missed your call. Second, I will call you back. And third, no worries.
This sentence write down in your notebooks, please. We hope today's long episode help you learn natural phone English.
Yes, use these phrases in your daily life to become confident.
And don't forget to
Like,
like,
share,
share,
and
and
subscribe
subscribe
to
to our
our
channel
channel.
Learn
Learn
English
English
Together.
together. Bye.